If you want to take macro photos on Google Pixel 10 Pro, what you can do is once you go to the camera, we're going to use this photo mode. We're going to tap on this setting icon in the bottom left corner. And then over here we have macro focus, which we can set to automatic or on. We're going to actually set it to on. It's definitely easier with that. And now what you can do is simply try to take the photo of our small subject. So as you can see, macro focus is locked. We can try to position our camera right next or in front of the subject. And then once we are close, we can just simply take the photo. And there should be no big issues with the focus, even if you are really close to the subject. And if you do have some issues with the focus, you can try to keep the distance between the subject and use the camera zoom instead. And that is pretty much it. Now, of course, besides that, what you can also do is simply disable the macro focus and then keep the distance between the subject and the camera and then try to use the zoom instead. So let's see if we can actually make it work. For some reason, the focus is now gone, but this is how it looks like. Of course, this is definitely the worst method. As you can see, we do have trouble with the focus, but it is still possible. So if for some reason you don't like the macro focus over here, we can use that trick instead. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.